All the major powers go on the offensive in August 1914. Austria attacks Serbia, Russia attacks the Central Powers, and Germany invades Belgium and France. The opening months of the war are horrifically costly. First, the Battle of Frontiers cost 650,000 lives. Almost 500,000 casualties at Marne River. Battle of Galicia, 650,000. And soon the economic costs of the war also begin to add up. Just to kit out a soldier for the battlefield was complex and expensive. Each man needs clothing, socks, boots, coats, a cap or hat, a rifle and bayonet, webbing for carrying his gear, and personal kit for eating and sleeping. Later, he will also need a gas mask, steel helmet, and ID tags. Altogether, an individual soldier's kit and weapons could cost more than $1,500 in today's values. In the first year of the war alone, Austria-Hungary spent 800 million crowns, equivalent to $3.4 billion today. Meanwhile, the total cost of an Italian infantryman's basic gear was about 70 lira in 1917, roughly $160 today. That works out as more or less 5 weeks' pay for an unskilled laborer. A rifle alone costs 15 lira, the value of maybe 10 days' pay.